Hi, welcome back to The Saving Secret, where I help you become more intentional with your money. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about the Fidelity Rewards Visa credit card. If you already have a Fidelity account, you should get this card. I use this as my main card and absolutely love it. I will be going through the features, the benefits, and some of the reasons why you might not want this card. Stay tuned. For those of you who are new to my channel, I don't really talk a lot about credit cards. The only other credit card review I've done in the past is the Capital One Walmart's reward card that gets you 5% cash back on Walmart groceries when you order online. However, I have done a lot of videos about Fidelity, and no, I don't work for Fidelity. I'm not being compensated or sponsored by Fidelity, but I've been a very happy customer, and I use a lot of their products and services. Fidelity has helped me be more intentional with my money, and I like to share what I've learned to help you be more intentional with your money. The first thing you'll need to do is make sure you take advantage of these rewards is be sure to smash that like button. It's greatly appreciated. It goes a long way to help me be able to help more people. Like I mentioned before, if you already have a Fidelity account or accounts, it makes sense to go with the Fidelity Rewards Visa. The benefits include no annual fee, unlimited 2% cashback, no limits on total reward points, and no restrictive categories, and the points will not expire. In order to take advantage and collect the 2% back, you need to have another Fidelity account. These accounts include a brokerage account, a cash management account, a 529 plan, a retirement account like an IRA or Roth IRA, a charitable account, or an HSA account. So there's lots of options out there. However, if you only have a Fidelity 401k, you'll not be able to contribute your rewards into that account. Getting your rewards into an investment account is great because you're not only getting cash back, you're having the opportunity to invest your rewards for greater returns. For me personally, what I really like about the feature is not only can you transfer it to a Fidelity account and get it invested, but you can actually set up these rewards to automatically transfer every month into your Fidelity account. I love taking advantage of rewards automatically without having to do anything extra. For me personally, I have my rewards going into my Fidelity charitable account. That's a nice tax-free way to put away money for charitable purposes. Another great feature that I like is that the credit card does not have a separate app, but the information is just added to the existing Fidelity app. No additional app is needed to review or manage your payment. I love the simplicity of having all of my Fidelity accounts integrated in just one location. On the Fidelity app, you're able to take advantage of auto pay. I personally take advantage of this, which allows me to make sure that I won't pay a cent in interest and will never have a late payment. Another great feature is that you'll be able to set up different alerts that might be important to you. You can set up alert relating to your balance, specific transactions, statements, and payments, and alerts, and other fraud alerts. Now, this section is very customizable, so you'll only get the notifications that you want to receive and will not automatically be set up to get a million notifications if you don't want them. I like having control to set up alerts that I care about and want to see. You have the option of getting notifications via email or text or both. Another benefit of the Fidelity credit card for me personally was I got a $20,000 credit limit upon acceptance. This is great because it'll help my credit score by having a higher limit and having a lower credit utilization since I plan on keeping my monthly expenses around $2,000 to $3,000 a month. One thing to be aware of is the card does require a higher credit score at 720 or above. I'm not exactly sure of all the factors that play into a credit card limit like your credit score, and quite frankly, I believe credit card companies keep this information hidden on purpose. However, I do have several Fidelity accounts like a Roth IRA, a regular IRA, cash management account, and a Fidelity charitable account. I believe that having more accounts played a role in getting a higher credit limit, but I still can't say for sure. The last benefit that I want to bring up is this card is a Visa signature card. What this means is there's several benefits related to the Visa signature. Some of these benefits include extended warranty protection, travel and emergency assistance, year-end spending summary, roadside assistance, auto rental collision damage waiver, zero fraud liability, lost stolen card reporting, and emergency replacement. Now, these features will not exclusive to the Fidelity Rewards Visa and can be found in other Visa signature cards. But these are great features that can be part of the Fidelity Rewards credit card. With all good things, there are a few cons. Just as a reminder, I do use this as my main credit card, so these have not held me back from getting that card. The first con I've already mentioned, but it is a deal breaker, is that you need to have another Fidelity account to fully take advantage of the rewards. Remember that a 401k does not count as an eligible account to transfer your rewards. The second major drawback to this card is this card comes with a 1% foreign transaction fee. So if you're going to be traveling internationally, this card is not the one you want to use. But those are really the only major drawbacks that I see that I think would limit someone from getting this card. So there you have it, my review of the Fidelity Rewards Visa, which is my preferred credit card. I think it's a great card. But what do you think? What's your main credit card? Let me know your thoughts and questions in the comment section below. You're welcome to check out my other videos, which I've done a lot about Fidelity accounts. My goal is to help you be more intentional with your money. Thanks again for watching, and have a great day.